Hi everyone, today we're talking about why I bought more Visa stock. Now if you are looking to get into Visa stock or wanting more information, a bit more detailed information on Visa, then go check out some previous videos, and I've got some like really in-depth videos about why I think Visa is a buy and why I bought Visa. But this is kind of more of a video about why I've gone and extended my position in Visa and why I bought more shares for Visa. Now Visa at the moment is a good position of mine. In fact, it's my second biggest position in my portfolio. It's a company that I really love. Now I actually bought more Visa stock at 174.74, which is a price that I'm not too I'm quite happy about, really, because it's a decent 52-week range. It's pulled back. I think the new 52-week highs it was making was about the $185 mark, so it's on a little bit of a discount, about a $10 discount, which isn't too bad. Now, one of the biggest reasons why I decided to add into my position really is that because it was falling behind a little bit, getting into my portfolio wise, Microsoft was clearly my biggest position that I have in the stock market portfolio. And I've always said that I wanted Visa to be my second biggest. If you want to see a full list of my stocks, go check out my stock portfolio review for whatever month it is at the time, and I'll do a full list of the stocks that I have in that video. I'll be doing one in a couple of days time actually. But Visa is a stock that I've not really added into for quite a while due to there being not many pullbacks in the stock. And at some point I was kind of like holding on for a pullback, and I was like, I need to go buy Visa stock if I want to keep it my second biggest position. So I took this opportunity to go buy Visa to get it back as my second biggest position, just because I like the company so much from a fundamental kind of point, and also because of what they do as a company itself. And also, my second point is that it was at a slight discount. Now, really, there isn't really big, massive pullbacks in Visa. And at the moment, it's down about 6-7%. So I took the opportunity to go buy on these discounts because I feel like at the most, it'll go down probably 10%. So I don't see too much more downside from these prices. And it might not even go down that much anyway. So I thought that while it's on this little bit of a pullback, it's not huge at all. But while it's at this discount, and it doesn't historically have massive discounts, and I want to add my position, I'll take the chance that it's going to, not go much lower than this. And like I say, it's a forecast point of view. I see, the stock going up massively from here. And also, the reason why I like Visa as well is that for me, I bought it because I love the company. I think it's a very safe stock. Whatever goes on in the world right now, trade wars, if there's a recession, I think it's a really easy growth company because of what it's in. I think card payments are very safe. It's a very dominant company in that area. Great management. It pays a decent dividend that it'll carry on increasing. And its revenue and its EPS growth are still, they're growing at double-digit growth. And I expect whatever happens in the economy or trade war-wise, it'll still carry on doing roughly about that. And also with the potential it has to take more cash payments, the younger generation who like to use card, and with the countries that are developing right now and the amount of transactions that's happening online, another great thing that we know where you can't pay cash, you have to be paying card. Visa has all that covered with payments, and like I say, it only has really MasterCard and maybe American Express. It has very limited oppositions, and I don't see anyone knocking Visa off where it is right now, and it's a company that I like. And like I say, I think with the developing countries that are out there, it'll also take card payments from them as well. So yeah, really Visa is a stock that I just love, and I wanted to try and extend it back to my second biggest position. And also, like I say, I don't know if there'll be much more discounts than this available for Visa, because it really hasn't. So I did take that opportunity to buy Visa, and to be honest with you, Visa's been in my free stocks I'm buying for the last 5 months, because I've been waiting 5 months for a decent pullback. So I just kind of got to the point where I was like, right, I'm just buying this. So it probably won't be in free stocks I'm buying at last for November. So it probably won't be in there, like I say. So it'd be good to get that out of that video as well. So guys, that's me talking about why I bought more Visa today. Like I say, if you wanted to see more details about why I want to buy Visa, I've got more in-depth video look into Visa on my channel, so check that out, guys. But if you were just interested in what moves I'm making in the stock market, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you could like the video, that would be amazing. Subscribe if it's your first time watching, and I'll see you in the next video.